Welcome back, MAST Family.
I'm Solomon and
I'm Jada Brown.
And we are
your student news anchors on MAST Mondays mornings. I'm Jada Brown.
Go downstairs. Please.
Who are you?
I'm Jada Brown.
Oh,
Who are you?
I'm Solomon.
Remember, all prize winners from our school-wide meetings will be picked up right after our announcements. All prize winners must pick their prize up by the end of the day or you will forfeit your winnings.
I'm Jada Brown.
No, you're not.
Go back to the office.
Congratulations to the winners, John, Tony, Jaden, DeMarco, and Shania for winning MAST Monday morning prizes. Remember, all you have to do is be on time for first period and sign into the bit.ly/MAST Monday morning meetings link.
Let's go, Panthers!
Good morning, everybody. Mr. Mazzoli here to tell you that our student versus staff competition will now be happening on Friday, May 12th, because our AP Research seniors are going to St. John's University to share their research projects with an audience. There is something that I do want to say about the student versus staff competition that's happening on Friday, May 12th. To all the students who are watching this message, we have a team this year, and whatever happens on that court, no matter how much we run up the score, no matter how many points we get on you, no matter what we do, we want you to know when we come back on Monday, Solomon, Jada, when we come back on Monday, it's nothing but love. We have nothing but smiles, nothing but friendliness. Do not take it personally. Do not take it personally. All right? Thank you, guys.
Birthday shoutouts! We have a new link for the birthday shoutouts, which is bit.ly/bday shoutouts. Remember, we share your birthdays, so share your birthdays with us so we can celebrate you.
On the 23rd, we have Morgan N. On the 24th, we have Nia B, Nyla, and Louis C. On the 28th, we have Avro F. Thank you to all the scholars for attending the JA Finance trip, and a big shout out to Mrs. Santoro for planning the trip, and Miss Middleton and Miss Walker for chaperoning.
We hope all of our Muslim scholars that just celebrated Eid are able to join us today for our Eid celebration, wearing your Eid best. Please be reminded that this Wednesday and this Thursday will be Momentum Education training for 10th grade, Group A. The following week, Group B will have training.
Kicking it with Van S. This Friday, April 28th, 2023, scholars will be able to attend the day with the superintendent, Dr. Josephine Yaboa Van S., to celebrate our school and Campus Magnet.
Saturday Regents Prep for Social Studies, Science, and Math resumes this weekend on Saturday, April 29th, 2023.
PSAT and SAT Day at MAST is Tuesday, April 25th for 9th, 10th, and 11th grade. E&L ELA Regents Prep is every Friday at 2 p.m. sharp with Miss Marston for all registered students in room 207.
Aha Broadway, be reminded that rehearsal days have changed and are now on Wednesdays only from 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. in the auditorium. Be on the lookout for AP exam schedules on Instagram for more information. Are you interested in auditioning to be our school mascot? Sign up using the bit.ly/MAST Mascot Spring 2023 link. Check your Google Classroom for the link. Your first job will be to perform at our annual Staff vs. Students game on May 11th. Good luck.
Latinos Unidos will have a celebration for Cinco de Mayo on Friday, May 5th, 2 p.m. in room 203.
On Friday, June 2nd, 2023, the Latinos Unidos Club is going to an excursion to Sabor Latino. Students must dress in a semi-formal attire, as well as bring a minimum of $35 for lunch.
You could be our next guest anchor in MAST Monday morning announcements. If you're interested in volunteering to be the next guest anchor, sign up using the link bit.ly/guest anchor.
Do you need help in geometry? Geo tutoring is every Tuesday with Miss Istrat in room 214 at 3:15 p.m.
The new basketball club meets every weekday, Monday through Friday. from 7:40 a.m. to 8:20 a.m. in the main gym with Mr. G.
Swimming and lifeguard training sessions are from 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. every Wednesday and Thursday. All students who are interested in the C-Step 4 University program, please confirm if you have submitted your application with Dr. E, who will be here on Thursday and Friday for individual check-in meetings. Remember to check out our Instagram page for all dates regarding PSAL games.
Thank you for watching our Mass Weekly News. See you next week.